Hello guys, good morning. Tuesday pa lang ngayon guys, akala nyo weekend no, kasi andito ako sa bahay. Tuesday pa lang ngayon at sinamahan ko yung mga bata dito. Kasi like I said, si Kuya Kahil ay hindi naman masyadong magtatagal no, dahil bakasyon lang siya. So, habang nandito ako sa bahay, tumitingin-tingin lang ako ng mga bagay na kaya kong gawin. Pakonti-konti lang. Ang dami pa din kalat dito. Kailangan kasi natin to i-clear out yung area para malinisan. At alam nyo, malaki pa din yung trabahong kailangan dito. Ayan o. So yung plano ko dito guys, sesementuhin pa yan siya para malinis. Yung kwarto nila auntie, hindi ko pa nalalagyan ng kortina. Kailangan na nating lagyan ng kortina kasi tapos na magpintura. Nagtatrabaho na sila dito sa bahay guys eh oh. Ang dami nang natapos. So yung kapitbahay ko, tapos na yung bahay niya. Doon din oh. Halos lahat tapos na. So, again, happy Tuesday everyone. Sana po okay ang all. Ako ngayon nagche-check. Ay naku, itong mga damo talaga na to. Salot sa lipunan ng damo. Ayan oh. Kasing taas na ng palay. Dito na rin kami nagsasampay ng aming damit. Dahil pag dito sa daanan ay naku baka mamaya ay makadisturbo tayo sa mga dumadaan. Yes?
I need to clean up some so we can clean up.
Oh no, we're not cleaning up yet. We're still playing, okay?
Why? But I want to eat gonja.
Huh?
Gonja.
You go eat gonja. You will clean up after, you will play after gonja, okay? And then later in the afternoon, we will make smoothie.
No.
Banana smoothie.
No. Today we don't want to play with our toys. We clean up and go. Do you think we can leave that mess for anybody, huh?
Anak, you just eat the gonja. It's not gonna take a long time.
Yes, it is going to take.
How
a
many
long
minutes to
time.
eat gonja? How many minutes to eat gonja?
600 minutes.
Oh my gosh, it's long. That's too much time.
Mom, come and help me clean up.
You eat your gonja first. And
No,
then we will
no.
clean up later after you play.
No.
Gonja is a snack. It's not a lunch. Go.
Mom, come on.
Clean up after snack.
No. Clean up after.
Oh, Chico already finished your gonja. Go.
No. I said come right now and help me clean up.
Let's go. Who's crying? Why? Why is Chico crying? Dahil? Why is Chico crying? Hindi kami nagpapailaw dahil...
Mommy, shower.
Who?
You.
I will shower.
Shower.
You go eat your gonja and then play your toys again.
Huh? Where's Woolies?
Ay, parang malamig yung kwarto ni Mama. It's dry, Auntie?
Yes, dry. I'm just going to cover it. Kalbi, why are your old towels very dirty?
Dirty? So, bigyan ko kayo ng update dito sa bahay kasi matagal-tagal na din no kung kamusta na yung bahay natin. So far, so good naman. Pagkabalik namin ng Thailand, ayan nga ay talagang naasikaso naman yung bahay. Though, syempre, nakahanap naman ako ng solusyon guys sa mga langgam. Ang ginagawa ko, pinupunasan ko agad ng Clorox yung mga walls at bintana na merong langgam. So far, so good naman. Huwag na yung mga chemical na spray guys. Kasi ang daming anak dito, ang daming bata. Ayan, so, tinatago ko yung aking aircon. Ay, pinaglalaruan yung mga bata yung remote. Nakita ko nyo nga pala guys sa last episode ko na in-upload nung nakaraang araw ang about sa solar panel dito sa bahay. And then meron nag-comment doon, Madam, huwag ka na magpalagay ng solar panel, hindi worth it. Guys, the reason why I am meeting solar panel solar panel, ang tawag sa kanila, services. Dahil gusto kong maintindihan yung solar panel. And other than minimit ko sila, nagre-research din po ako talaga. Kasi yung,
Mommy, I want Yakult.
Yakult,
Please.
you go ask your auntie. So, are you happy that I'm not going to work? What should I do? I just sit here.
No, you can't do anything sitting when you're bored. You can tell us what you have for us. Like that one.
But are you happy I'm here seated here?
Yes, and I'm so very happy for.
You're happy that I'm not working?
No, I'm happy for.
You're happy for what?
Just what happened at the aeroplane when you got for something?
You're happy for...
Fun.
I'm not buying you any more toys. Look at the toys
No,
you
no,
have.
no, no. I'm just saying you a secret one.
Tell me. Come and whisper to me the secret. Where? Where? Which basket? Where is it? Do you see any? I gave you everything already. That one? You want what there?
I was just saying.
Oh, you're just showing me the toy I got. That's Kuya Kahil. He got it for you. Yeah, did you say thank you to Kuya Kahil?
No,
Why not?
because he beat me on my head.
Oh, sorry, Kalbi Kahil.
He bite me, he broke my face.
You guys can fight seriously like big men.
He's not a big man.
Like wolf, like the wolf and the who?
I can find him.
And the wolf.
Like he's just a house.
And the little baby.
Okay, in the afternoon we will do movie. Smoothie. Ay, no, that's mine. Give it to me. Yes?
I want grapes, apple, and mango.
I have only apple, mango, and banana. Anak, careful ah.
That's my mom.
Here. Don't throw the people, please. It's painful enough. Yung play. Okay. Ang tamad ko ngayong araw, guys. Gusto ko lang umilata. Pagod match. Ayan si Kuya Kaya. Kuya, what are you doing? Why are you lying down like a zombie? This gives me an easy access to you. Easy access to your other. Smell it. Easy access. Easy access to the time bomb. Ay.
My slime into a bowl. I did it.
Let me see. Wow. Nag-enjoy na lang si Calby naglalaro ng kanyang slime. Si Kuya Kahil nanonood ng kanyang soccer shows. And then si Kulit-Kulot naglalaro. Ay, si Chico naglalaro ng cups. Si Mayumi kakatulog niya lang guys. Nakatapos lang natin magpakain ng batang makulit at mabait at maganda na si Mayumi. Calby, nasaan si Mayumi? Calby, nasaan si Mayumi? Nasaan si Mayumi? I don't want to see.
Let's drink.
I don't want, please. What do I do with this cup? Ong. Nag-breakfast kami kanina guys ng itlog, ampalaya, at saka pritong isda. And then, ngayon, nagmerienda kami, nagluto si auntie ng nilagang saging. At ngayong tanghali, hindi ko pa alam anong kakainin namin. Gusto ko sana kayong bigyan ng updated tour dito sa bahay. Pero, ang nangyari is, na busy ako sa mga bata kanina. At ngayon na lang ako natapos. Tuwang-tuwa si Calby dahil hindi ako nagtrabaho ngayon. At sanay kasi sila na lagi ako nagtatrabaho. Pero ngayon, sana na tayo slow pace na araw. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin today. Pero so far, hinahayaan ko lang yung mga bata na maglaro, ng mga konting laruan nila. Sawa na yung mga bata guys sa laruan nila. Pero yung mga, mas maganda kasi yung mga maliliit na mga toys na sira-sira, yun yung gusto nilang laruan. Ayan sila guys, oh. Hop, 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 hop. Ay. Auntie said we are not allowed in the kitchen yet.
Calby, that is being what?
Pika. Auntie. Auntie.
I'm not making that egg. No.
Come. Dali, leave Auntie to do her chapati. You see, very nice. Dali.
I can see on top of
the
the
vid-
phone
Of the video.
of your phone. I
Wow.
can see the chapati
Oh, come.
inside.
Are you sure?
Yes, I can see on your phone. The chapati
Come.
inside.
Come, leave Auntie to do her chapati. Dali, we eat fruits first. Come. Okay, there's guava. Here, come. Lunchtime. Auntie made for us chapati. Sit down. Kahil, can you push your brother's chair, please?
Is that prime?
No. Pomelo. Hold your glasses tight.
Mom, this pomelo tastes good.
You like it?
Mommy.
Okay, alas 11 na. Leave. Alas 11 na, and kids are excited to have... What are you excited to have for lunch? Rolex, Ugandan food. What's wrong, Chico? The what?
No, Carol didn't do anything to
Do you want me to drink?
No.
Okay, like that.
Your mom.
Okay. And prutas natin ngayon is watermelon, bayabas, tsaka pomelo.
So Chico can be rude.
Okay na, after lunch, we are going to sleep. Normally guys, yung schedule ng mga bata, alas 11 ng umaga, nanonood sila ng TV ng alas 12. Manananghalian and then matutulog. Pagkagising nila, maglalaro sila ng kahit na anong laruan nila. Kasi medyo mainit pa talaga masyado, hindi pa safe sa mga bata lumabas. Na sa labas na, tawag nito, na walang bubong. Kasi mainit. So, ayan, tikman natin tong pomelo.
Eggs and bullets.
Kami.
No, not like bullets, not eggs. No. I'm going to cook 10 of them.
Ah. Meron kasing paborito si Kuya Kahil na Ugandan food, yung chapati or Rolex kapag may palaman na siyang itlog. Ayan, binabantayan ni Kahil.
Womp
Womp womp.
Mom, I didn't say it yet.
Sorry.
Womp womp.
Please sit down.
Sit down.
Sit. You're going to put that glass Chico.
Why is there a bone in here, bro? Look.
Is Chico listening?
No, auntie.
Is Chico listening?
Nope.
Then you're not eating Rolex, okay?
No egg, no roll. Because it's been 3, 4.
Kalbi, let Auntie Chai hide that one first so she stops cleaning all the doors.
It's been 5 months.
Since what?
It's been 5 months since I've had Rolex.
You've had chapati and Rolex.
Yeah,
You miss it so bad.
I remember the taste. I remember when Ali couldn't finish his food and Auntie would give it to me. He wanted a second one, but he couldn't finish, so he gave it to me. But if not, we got hungry, we split it into so we can share. Nom 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 nom.
Will you finish? Yes.
Not even half. No, I doubt so. I doubt so. I doubt so.
I'm sure he's still Mr. Skinny Bones.
Hi, Mayumi. Mayumi, are you surprised?
Like, who are you?
Wah. Ah. Ba. Abababat. Mayumi. Mayumi.
What you wearing? Hedgehog.
I think, how do you, okay, can you close it? Okay, go. Pull down. Wow. Mayumi.
What is going on? My friends are being so creepy.
Who's going to pay for our fuel?
No one.
Me.
Mom, stay home, please.
If I stay home, who's going to pay your school? Mommy needs to pay your school. You're going to start school soon.
No, I want to go with you
Where?
to school.
No, I'm going to enroll you to school.
Already charging.
No, I want to go with you.
Mommy needs to work. Okay, I cannot take you
No, I
because.
want to go with you. It's not fair.
Mm. Mm. I'll take you next month.
No, don't take me next month. Take me right now.
Mm.
Please.
I'll take you in the afternoon.
No. Now.
Morning is for mommy's work.
No, I said now.
Okay, Kahil, what are you doing right now? You are squeezing your brother like a chapati.
No, I'm doing push-ups on him. 1,
Okay, speed training.
3.
I'm not doing training.
Speed training in the afternoon. Are you here?
In a baby, come in a stroller.
Where's Chico?
Mom doesn't
Oh,
love
you're,
me anymore.
don't step on your brother, please.
Mom doesn't love
Of course, I do love you.
This is
Chico?
my auntie making chapati.
Hi, Pikachu. I love you.
That bottle.
Which bottle?
This one.
Then you stand up so I can remove it. Best stand up. Let's remove it from your neck. Is that your sleeping wear?
Yeah, Kuya, come to Kuya. Kuya, do it for
Looks
you.
weird. Ako, yeah, will do it daw.
Kuya, do it for you.
Can I help you?
Mommy's done.
His mouth is bleeding.
Why? Sorry, Chico. Does it hurt you?
How come on, Kuya? Because God be kicking in your mouth.
Sorry. Pikachu, come. Where are you going?
Come here, hug Kuya. Come to hug Kuya.
Hi, come in. Oh, sulod, dali.
No, Kuya, very sad. You don't want to hug Kuya.
I will see.
You want to drink water first? Sulod din nakalak? Ha? Nakalak?
That's it.
Alay lang kayo. Give him water, anak, so his mouth will be better. Good morning. You see? Slowly lang. Sorry. What happened? What happened? Oh, no, anak. Don't push. I'm sorry. Okay, sorry na.
Mom, Auntie Grace is cooking chapati.
Okay. Sorry na. Come and drink water. Here.
Mommy.
Rabol. Ano ka? You are hurting your brother.
He's a good boy.
Ah. Everyone will go for a haircut today, okay?
Great, I'm going with my brothers.
Great, I'm going. Kahil, what are we going to do there?
Chico, where are you
we going to
going? I
watch
miss
TV?
you. Who's watching TV? I said you're going to school. What are the things you need for school? You have a backpack?
Yes,
Uniform, you mean? Uniform?
Yes, I need staying clothes. I need bow ties. I
Bow
need
ties?
my little baby Mayumi. I need
For
my
school?
blanket. And I need my pillow. I need the key to lock the
You're just being
cage.
funny. Okay, you're just being funny. Why do you need a bow and a blanket in school? Do you need a blanket in school?
No.
No. Anak. people are still asleep, guys. Can we do that without noise, please? Some people are still sleeping. Kaya.
Mom, Uncle Kylie, it's much fun to play with him.
Yeah, but then you are making noise and Lola. Nana is still sleeping, remember?
No?
Oh, my eye.
Chica, you want to wear that one? That's for Mayumi.
Huh? Huh? You think you're very funny when you step on Kuya's eye, huh?
No, Mom.
Huh?
It's too small for you.
Pain. No pain. No pain. No pain.
It's too small.
No pain.
I'm Mayumi. I'm Mayumi. I'm Mayumi.
You're not Mayumi, you're Chico.
I'm Mayumi. I'm Mayumi.
This one is for Mayumi. Malaki pa yung pajama ni Chico. What's Chico doing? Why is Chico quiet?
I don't know.
Chico,
He hates me.
what are you doing there now? What? You're sitting down? Kaya.
I'm going to. No, I want to be Mayumi.
Anak, please. I cannot say your name all the time.
That is funny. That is too small.
Oh, you look like no, you look like Mayumi with that. Nyang nya. Nyang nya.
But his head is very huge.
Oh, but my turn.
Okay. If you're too use it's slippery. Mom, can you put on?
I don't want to make it big for Mayumi's head. You look like a clown. He looks like a clown, Chico. Ay. Calby. No more screaming. That's the last one I'll hear you scream.
Mommy.
Why are you guys lying down on the floor?
Mommy doesn't love you.
I love you.
No, you don't.
What? Why do you need? What do you need?
Nothing. It's because I'll get my own chapati. No chapati for you. Chapati for Kyle. Chapati for me. Chapati for Chico. Chapati for Auntie. And no chapati.
I think
for you.
Chico will give me chapati, right?
Chico, don't give mommy chapati.
Then I will
okay?
cry. You see, Chico loves me very much. Don't fight, don't fight, don't fight.
Mommy, you're not the one. I'm never going to come back with this bad mommy.
Oh no.
Very bad.
No, Chico loves me, you see.
Only Chico loves mommy.
Kyle, those are hateful words, okay?
Mayumi.
You're not Mayumi. That's for Mayumi. You're going to make it big.
Mommy,
Yes.
let me show you twinkle and one twinkle and two twinkle and one twinkle and two twinkle and one twinkle and two twinkle.
What song is that?
I'm here. Ama. Oh.
That's a donut for Mayumi's head.
Mm.
Right? Huh, my mom's voice is not yet back to normal.
Mm.
Do you like your pajama? It's Pikachu.
Pikachu have a little warning toaster.
Can you count for mommy like last night? 1 to 10. Ready, go.
1. I will count.
Count, go.
What? I'm count.
1.
What? I will count.
You're not counting enough. Can you count properly, please?
No.
Count properly.
No.
Then mom is sad. Who's that?
In my
Who is that? You can open the door, please. Because you locked it. Can you open the door for Calby?
Yes, Mama.
Thank you.
Chico,
What do you want to tell Chico?
Kahil, let's go eat chapati without Mommy. Because Mom is been on telling me that she doesn't love me.
Calby, I did not say that. Did I say Chico?
No.
No. I did not say that. I
Yes,
said
Mommy.
I love you and I love Chico and I love Mayumi and I love Kuya Kahil and I love everyone.
Chico, you don't love Mommy? No, I love her.
You see?
Chico, Kahil, let's go eat chapati with me, Auntie Chai, and not for Mommy. Right, Kahil? No, Mommy.
Thank you, Chico.
Mommy, I'm not sitting with Mommy. I'm going to sit.
Did not. Let me see your nose. Let me see what's wrong. Did Auntie cook banana?
No,
The gonja? Did she make?
no. She only makes syrup with crackers.
Crackers?
Yes.
I thought pancake is with crackers. Huh?
Ah,
I thought crackers and syrup goes together. I don't like crackers and syrup.
I love them. This
Someone-
is yummy.
Someone's knocking.
That's the wolf.
Go open for your brother.
No, that's not my brother. That's the witch.
Can you go check?
Okay.
Kahil,
It's no one, Mom.
you go
It's
play
just
golf
Auntie
later.
Chai.
Huh? It's Auntie Chai.
Mm.
Oh, another one. Go, open.
It's Chico, he's lying.
Ay, open for Chico. Yes, Chico. Sorry. Chico is outside.
Why do you lie?
It's because Mom has bad manners.
Mom does not have bad manners.
Yes,
You
she
have
does.
bad manners. You tell everyone you have bad manners.
No,
And
Mom has bad manners.
Back.
Ah, you guys are making it hard for mommy.
Chico, it's a bad car here.
Oh, Auntie is calling. Let's go.
Bad Kobe. No, bad car.
Hubby, that's not right enough.
Mommy, come. Chico, come. We leave Kahil and Mommy. Come.
Hubby, open the door. Hi, let's go. Help me close the turn off the aircon enough. So we save electricity. Thank you, Chico. Okay, breakfast. Another Rolex for Kahil today. Move your chair a little bit so mommy can sit. Kain muna tayo guys bago pumunta sa trabaho. Wow, Chica is eating Rolex. And Calby too? For you, you like what? Chapati. Huh? This juice is so cool. Yeah, after you're done with your Yakult and fruits. Nagluto si Auntie ng ampalaya, kanin, dan ang prutas namin ay watermelon na kahapon na iwan, tsaka yung aming pomelo. Ayan. Yummy, Chico? Like.
I'm moving out.
Okay. Bismillah.
Hello, Mama.
Tapos may yung nagluto kami sa kanan. Kwarto na wala pa na ayos. Katumasan nila ang itang ulit na ito.
Ha?
Asan na ang ulit? Ayos na mga kwarto. Good morning guys. Maayong buntag na mainit-init dito sa Jensen. Ako'y dadaan muna sa tindahan ng aking ate. Knock, 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 knock. Kukuha tayo dito ng isang item na order. Ito yung Hongtai. Good morning. Nasaan si Kyle? Ay, guys, maayong udto. Ayan, nako, hindi talaga ako nakapag-vlog guys. Sobrang busy namin ngayong umaga, ngayong araw. Dahil ang dami naming stocks na sleepwear na restock. Nakikita niyo po sa vlog ko sa Kidapawan, I was using only the sleepwears that we are selling here from Mayumi Thailand Closet. Pag gusto niyo pong mag-order ng aming mga damit at mga pajamas, sleepwear na silk, please do look for us guys. Sa Facebook po kami, Mayumi Thailand Closet, ang aming Facebook page. At 8,000 followers na po kami. Kasi yung iba, mga scam po yan. So, para masigurado nyo sa mga new buyers natin, guys, make sure na mag-video call po kayo bago tumawag para makausap nyo ako or si Miss Joselle, yung ating staff sa Mayumi. Ayan. Tandaan nyo po yung mukha ni Miss Joselle, ha? Yan lang siya, guys, ang authorized at ako lang po. Wala nang iba. Pag iba po yung nakaharap ninyo or pag hindi sumasagot sa tawag ninyo, kapag bumibili kayo, mga scammers po yan. So, ngayon, kakain muna kami, guys. Ganito po yung setup ng aming kainan. Bumili kami ng kanin sa labas pero bibili na kami ng ng rice cooker kasi mahal na po yung kanin ngayon. And then sabaw po yung aming ulam, sabaw na kambing. Okay, so kakain muna tayo habang si Mayumi ay good mood pa. Tara, Chay. Okay, kakain muna tayo guys dahil time check natin ngayon, mag-aalas 12 na po ng tanghali. So, magla-live pa sana ako ng konti pero kakain muna tayo kasi baka mamaya himatayin tayo sa kakahanap ng pera. Alright guys, let's have our lunch. Let's go! Alright guys, paalis na po tayo at natapos na akong kumain, nakapag-live pa ako ng isang beses. So merong mga nag-comment sa akin dun guys no, kung tawag nito, bakit daw kayo nakakita ng solar na video, solar panel. Dahil nga ako nag-iisip na ipapasolar na yung aking bahay. Kasi gusto ko ng long-term na solusyon para sa kuryente. Kasi libre naman pala yung araw natin, kailangan lang natin ng mga machine to help convert the energy from the sun at mapatakbo yung mga gamit natin at mga aircon natin sa bahay. Pinag-iisipan ko pa lang naman guys, pinagsasabihan ko pa, binabasa ko pa, hindi pa ako masyadong decided. So kakalmahan muna natin yung mga puso-puso natin. Like I said, regardless sa sinasabi ng iba, I am doing my own research naman. Ayun. So ngayon nga, paalis na ako at ayan, nag-a-arrange kami ng aming shop. Ang dami-daming laman ng tindahan ko guys. Parang kailangan na namin mag-branch out. Grabe naman, branch out agad. Para may, ma'am, pabili po. Saan po yung Mayumi ninyo? And then yung reply ko, saan pong branch yung malapit kayo? Diba, social, may branch na tayo. So iniisip ko mag-expand. Pero tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Kasi sobrang dami na talaga naming stocks. Hindi na kayang abutin ng aming mga hanger guys. At talagang namamayat na si Miss Joselle kaka-organize ng aming mga stock dito. Ayan. So, ayan, na-organize na po lahat. Sa lahat po ng bumili ng aming Vietnam padded maxi dress. Maraming salamat. Ang ganda po ng mga collections natin ngayon. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung ating mga sleepwear. Kanina nag-live din kami sa sleepwear natin. At siyempre, yung ating mga oversized Bangkok Thailand t-shirts. And ang ating Bangkok Thailand beauty products from whitening to weight loss. Ayun, meron tayo niyan guys. At kanina nga, medyo natagalan ako mag-live kasi dinagdag ko sa live natin itong aking bagong kapaw. Ayan, bongga guys. Kapaw in Thailand, tawag nila kapaw. Sa English, bag. Little bag. Oh, yun. So, meron akong dinagdag sa items ko kanina. Yan po siya. Maliit po siya na bag. Nagawa po sa, para siyang tela na medyo stretchable. Sobrang classy niya lang at minimalist. Very, I would say it's classy for me ha. Classy sa aking level, hindi classy sa level ni Heart Evangelista. Ganyan po siya guys. Ayan, lapitan natin ng konti. Ayun, ang cute diba? Oh. Pwede nyo siyang hawakan ng ganyan or ganon. So may laman po yan na mga aking mga kaanek-anek sa katawan at sa aking mga gadget. So once again guys, hindi pa tayo tapos na yung araw. Ako'y pupunta na naman sa kabilang tindahan para sa aking pag-alive ng mga 18 karat Saudi gold. Ang dami kong pagod. Dahil sa init. Pero okay lang kasi naging productive naman yung ating umaga so far. May dumi yung aking case. Alright guys, I'll see you on today's episode. Babu! Wait lang, magpa-load. Mayumi! Yumi! Mayumi! Mayumi! Wow! Azus! Mayumi! Azus! Wow! Alright, hindi na ako magtatagal guys. Alas 3 na po ng hapon. Normally, alas 5 ako inaabot dito pagbebenta. Pero ngayon, alas 3 na kailangan ko nang umuwi. Kasi dadaan ako sa paboritong merienda na nagustuhan ni Chico Chico, ni Kulit Kulot, at ni Kuya Kahil, yung binangkal. Hindi ko alam guys kung alam niyo itong binangkal. Pero tinapay na bilog na pinirito na merong sesame seed sa palibot. Nagustuhan din ni Auntie Christine dahil ito ay kamukha ng kanilang merienda sa Uganda na tinatawag nilang mandazi. Ayan ang picture. Ayan. So ngayon guys, dadaan ako doon, uuwi ako dahil nag-request si Kuya Kahil na bumalik mag-golf. Sobrang nagustuhan niya yung pag-golf, kaya ngayong araw sasamahan natin ulit si Kuya Kahil para naman maramdaman niya na we are happy na talagang nakakita siya ng mga bagay na gusto niya, na bago naman, hindi lang laging soccer, hindi lang laging training sa soccer. Para naman exciting. So last time, dinala ko sila ni Ate Ashley. Sobra sila nag-enjoy dalawa. At ngayon, babalik kami doon. Together, together, I love you forever. Pero dadaan kami sa bahay ni Madam Ten Gibbs. Nanang sabon gang. Okay. O, ito siya para sa sanina. Blue lagi kaayo. Kulbaan ko sa iyang pagka-blue. Basta mag-blue ako mga sanina. Alright. Let's go. Ayan. Kasi guys, yung mga ginagamit ko sa bahay, sabon panglaba, mantika, mga malalaking order, binibili ko kay Madam Ten Gibbs para naman nag-iikot lang yung aming mga profit. Kasi ba't pa ako sa iba bibili, di ba, kung meron namang benta yung mga kapatid ko. Yun nga, sino nga nagsabi no? Nagtanong si Miss Tony Gonzaga. Sabi niya, hindi ka ba naiinggit? Sino yung kanyang in-interview? Sabi niya, hindi ka ba naiinggit sa kapatid mo? Then ang sagot, hindi talaga. Kasi bakit? Katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo last time guys, there's enough sunshine for everybody. And whatever are the success of my kapatid is also my success. Kasi pag naging successful sila guys, nililibre nila ako ng makakain. Kaya wala po ako problema pagka maraming benta yung kapatid ko. Kasi pag maraming benta yung mga kapatid ko guys, hindi po sila madamo. Tinatawag nila kami, tinatawag nila ako, inaaya nila kami kumain sa labas, mga ganun. So their success is my success. Yahoo! So let's go, na tayo! Alright guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Shakoy House. Ayan. Shakoy House. Live in hand-rolled happiness. Sana all. Aradasa Corner, Capareda Street, Lagaw, Jensan. Ang sarap po talaga ng shakoy nila. Shakoy. Shokoy at saka yung binangkal. Walang motor. Let's go. Okay, so dito po ako bumibili ng aming merienda. Kasi tinry ko lang kung magustuhan ng mga bata. Tapos pinag-awayan nila yung binangkal. Kaya ngayon bibili tayo. Dito ba? Ayan. So, meron po sila ditong chocolate tsaka caramel na shakoy. Hi, binangkal please. Yan na lang. Meron pa. Oh no. Akin na lang yan. 3 na lang.